Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, guys. Today we're diving into the heart of West Java, Indonesia, to explore Sundanese culture. In Sundanese culture, taboos are known as Pamali. They've been passed down through generations, shaping the way Sundanese people live. Today, we explore 10 examples of Pamali, their meanings, and the values they represent. From respecting elders to preserving nature, Pamali cover a wide range of aspects in Sundanese life. So, get ready to uncover the mysteries behind these intriguing beliefs. Let's jump into our first Pamali. Imagine you're at your friend's house, chilling near the doorway. In Sundanese culture, sitting at the doorway is a big no-no. This Pamali goes by the saying, Ula duk dila wang panto, bisi nong tot jodoh, meaning don't sit at the doorway, or you may block your marriage prospects. It's not just about blocking the physical doorway, it's about the flow of energy and opportunities. The doorway is seen as a portal for good fortune and blessings. Sitting there is like putting up a closed for business sign for your future happiness. This Pamali also reflects the importance of respect and consideration for others. Picture this, you're starving, your stomach is growling, and you can almost taste the food just by thinking about it. You can't wait to dig into that delicious plate of nasi goreng, the aroma making your mouth water. But in Sundanese culture, there's a significant Pamali or taboo that you must be aware of. This particular Pamali goes, Ula dahar bari di tenggowi, bisi Dewi pading gambek, which translates to don't eat with a plate in hand, or the rice goddess will be angry. This Pamali is deeply rooted in showing respect for Dewi Sri Pohaci, the revered rice goddess who is believed to bless the harvest. In Sundanese culture, rice is not just food, it is considered sacred, and treating it with reverence is paramount. Eating with a plate in hand is seen as disrespectful, and can invite disapproval from elders. Practically speaking, eating with a plate on a table encourages proper posture and promotes mindful eating habits. It helps you savor each bite, appreciate the flavors, and recognize the effort that went into preparing the food, making the meal a more enriching experience. Let's talk about a Pamali that might sound familiar to many of us. We've all felt super sleepy after a big meal, tempted to lie down and take a nap right away. In Sundanese culture, eating while lying down is a big no-no, a strict cultural taboo. This Pamali warns, Ula dahar bari sare, bisi gede hulu, meaning don't eat while lying down, or your head may grow big. It's a vivid and memorable warning. It's a metaphorical way of saying that eating in a reclined position is bad for you, both physically and health-wise. Lying down while eating can lead to indigestion and choking hazards, making it difficult for your body to properly digest food. It's about promoting healthy eating habits and being mindful of your body, ensuring you eat in a proper posture. Eating is a time to connect with your food and appreciate the nourishment it provides, fostering a healthy relationship with what you consume. Chapter 4, Boils Be Gone, Pamali Ula Ingadukan Bantal. We've all had lazy days where we want to lounge around, maybe even use our pillows for extra comfort. In Sundanese culture, sitting on pillows is a big no-no. This Pamali goes, Ula Ingadukan Bantal, bisi bisol, meaning don't sit on a pillow or you may get boils. It's not like sitting on a pillow magically causes boils, it's about respect and symbolism. The head is considered sacred and pillows support our heads. Sitting on a pillow is seen as disrespectful. Practically, pillows are meant for sleeping, providing comfort and support to our heads and necks. Chapter 5, The Mat of Mortality, Pamali, Ula, Sare Bari Disimut Kusamak. Imagine it's a chilly night and you're reaching for an extra blanket. The air is crisp and you crave warmth and comfort. In Sundanese culture, sleeping covered with a mat is a major taboo. This isn't just a simple superstition but a deeply rooted cultural belief. This Pamali warns, Ula Sare Bari Disimut Kusamak, bisi nitakyun maut, meaning don't sleep covered with a mat or it may hasten death. The warning is clear and stern. Mats were often used to wrap the deceased before burial. This practice has been passed down through generations. Sleeping covered with a mat is seen as inviting death. The mat, a symbol of the final journey, is not meant for the living. It's a reminder of our mortality and the importance of respecting the balance between life and death. This belief encourages mindfulness about how we live our lives. Practically, mats aren't designed for warmth and breathability, making for an uncomfortable sleep. They serve as a physical and metaphorical reminder of the thin line between life and death. Pamali Ula Ulan Wanti Maghrib. Remember your parents telling you not to play outside after dark? In Sundanese culture, this isn't just about safety. It's about avoiding supernatural encounters. This Pamali warns, Ula ulan wansi maghrib, bisi dikuliku jurig, meaning don't play after dusk, or you'll be taken by ghosts. Maghrib, the time of sunset, is a liminal period when the veil between the physical and spiritual realms is thin. It's a time for prayer and reflection, not for running around. Practically, as daylight fades, visibility decreases, making it more dangerous for kids to play outside. Let's talk about a Pamali that might surprise you. In Sundanese culture, there's a specific way to eat bananas. This Pamali cautions, Ula engadahar kau pangsisina, bisi kapopohokeun, meaning don't eat the tip of a banana or you may be forgotten. It's not about actual memory loss. Offering someone the tip of a banana is considered rude. It's a way of showing respect and generosity by offering the best portion of the fruit. Practically, the tip of the banana might not be as ripe or flavorful as the rest of the fruit. Let's talk about a Pamali that might resonate with nail biters. In Sundanese culture, biting your nails is a taboo. This Pamali warns, Ula osok engegalan kuku, bisi pondak umur, meaning don't bite your nails or you may shorten your life. It's about promoting hygiene and discouraging harmful habits. Biting your nails can introduce bacteria into your mouth, leading to infections. In Sundanese culture, the body is seen as a temple, something to be respected and cared for. Engaging in self-destructive habits like nail biting is seen as disrespectful to oneself. Let's talk about a Pamali that might make you think twice the next time you're enjoying chicken. In Sundanese culture, there's one part that's strictly off-limits, the chicken's backside. This Pamali warns, Ula dahar tungir hayam, bisi maut ngora kene, meaning don't eat the chicken's backside, or you may die young. It's not meant to be taken literally. The chicken's backside is typically fatty and not as meaty. Consuming too much fat can lead to health problems. Choosing to eat the healthiest parts of an animal shows respect for your body and the animal itself. We've explored some interesting Pamali today, but what's the real message behind these superstitions? Pamali are more than just prohibitions. They're teachings passed down through generations. The Pamali about not sitting at the doorway isn't just about blocking your future spouse. It's about respect, consideration for others, and being mindful of the energy we bring into our spaces. Pamali are like nuggets of wisdom, reminding us to live in harmony with nature and respect our elders. They might seem quirky, but beneath the surface lies a deep well of cultural and spiritual significance. Did you know the word Pamali has a connection to a real geographical feature in West Java? The Pamali River, also known as the Cipamali River. This river holds a special place in Sundanese history and culture. It served as a symbolic boundary between the Sundanese people and their Javanese neighbors. The Pamali River flows through West Java and merges with the Bengawan Solo River in central Java. Even today, the Pamali River serves as part of the official boundary between West Java and Central Java, reminding us of the distinct cultural heritage of these two provinces. We've journeyed through the world of Pamali, exploring their meanings and origins. But do people still follow these ancient beliefs today? While some Pamali might seem outdated, the values they represent remain deeply ingrained in Sundanese culture. Respect for elders, harmony with nature, humility, and balance. These are timeless principles. Pamali serve as a bridge between the past and the present, reminding us of the wisdom and values of our ancestors. They encourage us to adapt and interpret them in meaningful ways for our modern lives. We've reached the end of our Pamali adventure. Who knew that something as simple as not sitting at the doorway could have such deep cultural significance? Every culture has its own unique set of beliefs and traditions, and it's up to us to approach them with an open mind. So, the next time you hear a superstition or a taboo, dig a little deeper, and you might be surprised by the wisdom and history you uncover. What's up, guys? It's Yafis Akmal signing off. We've uncovered some fascinating stuff about Sundanese culture and their Pamali. These beliefs offer a glimpse into the values and traditions that have shaped Sundanese society for generations. Remember, knowledge is power. The more we understand different cultures, the more we can appreciate the beauty and diversity of our world. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome content. Until next time, stay curious, stay adventurous, and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.